So welcome guys, you can see this package. That's because I want to announce that now I am sponsored by Speedcube shop. So they sent me this package. It's the biggest unboxing I've ever done, and because I don't have scissors I will use a nail clipper. So there are two packages, probably one with the t-shirt and the zipped hoodie, and here are the cubes. And also probably with the loops. Yeah. As I expected, here is their weight 100k, I think. Yeah, Loop 100k. Now we go into the main packages, which will be the cubes and the clothing. So yeah, probably these are the other loops which I bought. Yes. So Loop yellow, then their power loop, also Loop green, then Loop black, then Loop white, which is wet, I don't know. Probably because of the cap, and Loop wet. Yeah, and probably needles for Loop 100k. Very cool. So first I put them aside. Then I got another Aushi WRM. I already have one with core magnets, but I also want another one which doesn't have any core magnets, so here it is. And then I also got another Outrun WRM. I already have one with core magnets, but again I want another one because this like dead since early summer. Then I got another Meilong 7x7 V2 magnetic. Right here I already have one, but I bought one with core magnets. Yeah, and this Meilong 7x7 has a Florian mod made by me, so it's also kind of special. Then I got a Diansheng Solar 5x5, which is UV coated. I got because I don't have one, and I think it's kind of new, so yeah. Then I got a Volk 5 with core magnets. I already have another Volk 5, but I bought this already dead, and I bought this at a comp for like 20 euros. So a new one, and it has core magnets, so that is a big plus. And that is that package. Here are two t-shirts. Kind of sweet. Thank you to have me. And then the zipper hoodie. Yeah, very, very cool. So put this aside. I bought this in XL because of Asian measurements. Yeah, it should have my name on it. Yes. Ah, that's so cool. German flag and my name. So cool. And the Speedcube logo on the front. I also really like this packaging. It's like a scroll, you know? I also bought the shirts in XL. Ah, it's so cool. Speedcube logo. And my name and the flag. Wow. So cool. And I bought the same t-shirt in black because, yeah, I only wear black and white shirts basically. My whole wardrobe is only black t-shirts and white t-shirts. Also, Speedcube logo and my name. Yeah, it's so cool. So now I will go onto the cubes. We'll start with the Volk 5 because it's the cube I have the least amount of experience with using. So no, I actually have less experience with the Enchant Volk 5. Anyways, so this should have core magnets. So now the cube. So smooth and stable, it's crazy. There's a little bit of loop on the outside. I'll normally use my toilet paper because, I don't know, I'm a little bit ill, so I use toilet paper to wipe my nose. Because it's much more gentle than, like, yeah, it's just very soft compared to other tissues. And maybe it's a little bit tight. So here's my other bulk. Yeah, it's all different feeling. It's like much louder, more clacky, and also less stable. And slower. I will do solve that later, because right now my hands are not warmed up, so. That's a really good container for my main. So in the Diancheng box there is the cube and an accessories box Also a cube stand, which I will never use because I don't use no cube stands, I don't know why. Then a pamphlet and a screwdriver. Yeah, I always see that it has a much shinier finish. Kind of dry and sandy. But actually really good holy. Wait. It's actually quite good. Wait, what's the size? Is it more like the WM? Yeah, it's about the same size as the WM. Then I also have a Nature. Yeah, it's smaller. And the Volk. Yeah, smaller. It's about the same size as the Moyu 5x5. Out of the box it feels very fast and sandy and dry, but it's also stable. So yeah, it's also very good. 5x5. Then we go on to the Aoshi WM magnets. In a few months actually. Except for scabbling in competitions. Yeah. Yeah, my Aoshi already has a glossy finish. Probably since like forever, it's like a year. I love my Aoshi 6. It has core magnets, it's first. Yeah, it's probably a little bit slower. Yeah, again, this needs setup. And then the Ultron WM. I only bought it because I will switch cores and these corner stocks or corner stems, I don't know, with this, my main right now, because this one's already dead and I didn't want to spend too much money. So for today, I think in terms of cubes, the Vogue 5 core magnetic is the highlight, and the Meilong 7 with core magnets. The other cubes are just basically replacements for what I already had. Wait. didn't remember it having a shiny finish out of the box. Yeah, against the setup and tensioning. And I heard that Moyu changed the springs in the Outrun WM. I think out of the box I actually prefer the Diancheng one. Okay, except for the outer layers. The Outrun WM is much better. Also, the magnets feel much more clicky. Maybe they made the magnets a little bit smaller. Yeah, both need setup. And now for the second highlight, the Moyu Meidong 10x7 V2 magnetic with core magnet. So right here is my modded 7x7. I think I get much better times with this one than with the Output WM. Yeah, it's much smaller than the Output. The 2x3 stage is already a bit better. Not already, also a bit better. Especially with the floral knot that I did. So it has bigger holes in the outer layers. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, my already used one has a shiny finish, but that will wear off sorry, on this cube. It has Speedcube logo. It sticks out a little bit. Is it a sticker? Yeah, it feels. It's crazy. I already thought that was very stable, but core magnets just take it to another level. And it's much smoother than mine, but probably because of setup. I think my Mailong is a little bit looser. Yeah, much looser. Right here it almost has no flexibility. So we'll do a few test solves. No, I'll do one test solve in a bit, but I think I will quickly loosen the 7x7 by an eighth of a turn, like by 45 degrees. Yeah, now it feels better. For me at least. Oops. Oops. Yeah, 219. Little below average, but without warm up. It's actually really good. So now I will go onto the 6x6 without setup. Yeah, it's really fast. Wait, no, I think it's faster than my... Yeah, a little bit. I was wrong. Maybe it's too fast for me. Yeah, it's actually an okay solve without parity. 129. Right out of the box. Yeah, so now I will go on to the... What will I choose? I think the Diancheng 5x5. Oops. What? Wow, what the fuck? $52 with that lockup. Yeah, it's okay. It's good. So now to the Outrun WM. What the fuck? Yeah, right out of the box, the Diancheng 5x5 is better than the Outrun WM. Doesn't even have the specific setup, it's just stock. Maybe they changed the setup. So now the cube I most anticipated, the Vogue 5 of core magnets. Only 52. Maybe I need the Vogue 5 to be a little bit faster, but maybe it comes with a little bit of break-in. Just doing a bunch of solves. I think the cube I'm most impressed by is the Diancheng 5x5. The solar magnetic. Yeah, the other cubes I just have to set up a little bit better. And I will just do a bunch of solves with the 7x7 and the Vogue 5. Yeah, they can be contenders to be my main easily, especially 7x7, because it's just more stable than my already broken in Mailong. Yeah, that's it. So wish you Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I hope you also get good presents.